Hi co-teachers, it's me again, Desi. Sorry if you are confused about my name. I'm used to using my teacher's name, Teacher Glad. Here I am Desi, so I should be used to using Desi. So hello co-teachers, this is Desi and I am here again to have a follow-up video on how to get more private students. When I was starting, my rate was 40 pesos per 25 minutes. Actually, there are still some ESL companies having this rate, but since I've been in this field for quite a few years already, this has been my bread and butter. I aim to have a higher rate. So now my rate is $5.5 to $10 per hour, teaching for 50 minutes. Well, I am not saying that you can only have this rate when you are an experienced teacher. Definitely not. I encourage everyone to know your worth and also keep progressing. Train yourself more, get English certifications, and don't stop teaching so you can gain more experience, because experience is a must and experience can really help you a lot in this industry. Okay, so let's go to our topic for today, which is about some tips to gain more private students. First, you have to tell your students that you teach privately. So if they have family members or friends who want to learn English, they can recommend you. Just a disclaimer guys, I am not telling you to encourage your current students to be your private students. It is not allowed in most ESL companies, especially if you are still part of an ESL company as per contract that you have agreed upon. But if ever that he or she is already your private student, you can offer them a referral system, like you can give them a free class when they refer you to someone who also would like to speak English. Second, you have to advertise. You can create a Facebook page, Twitter profile, and the like. Create an impressive audio introduction and post them to all language exchange learning apps like ZigTalk, HelloTalk, Popon, KakaoTalk, and Language Master. Next time, I will make a separate video about these apps. So there, they have newsfeed as well, like Facebook. There are a lot of prospective students there. Although you can't really directly sell your service in some language exchange apps, but that is a good opportunity for you to meet people who want to learn English online. So you have to save some money also to create your website, because it is way better to have one. You can have a bigger target market. Online teaching has a bigger target market, especially during this time of pandemic. You can have students globally, so you will surely not run out of students. Third, be professional, friendly, and take care of your students. You have to maintain your professionalism in handling your class. As much as possible, avoid class cancellations. Always maintain the quality of your service, especially if you already have private students, because they can increase the number of your private students through word of mouth. Make sure that they are satisfied with your service. Okay guys, I hope you learned something today about having direct or private students. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more helpful tips about ESL teaching. Thank you!